Today I'm making another video for mini excavator. Travel speed not working. So right now I will test the travel. There. Yes, way. Hey. So this is the low speed. See, low speed is okay for one robust. Trouble speed switch here. Look at this. Even we change the trouble speed switch, track speed is the same to the slow speed, the same, and also can hear the abnormal noise for the motor. So now I use one of the analog gauge to check for the travel pilot pressure. This is come from the travel solenoid. When we change the travel speed switch, the one we install in here, the manual switch. So I use a 3500 psi gauge for safe. Here, this hose end. This one is for the K-string hose. K-string from the travel motor. And there are two more hoses here. Delivery for and above. So after that, I will start the engine and test the travel pilot pressure and also the K-string pressure from the motor. So use this kind of the modification hose, because I'm not sure which one is the K-string and which one is the pilot, which one is the travel speed. So that's why I use it like that, and then put it in the container under the hose. Okay, start the engine. You got it. This one is for the travel pilot pressure. See here. Set up in the neck. Say that's like I said. Look at this. Oh. So when I test the travel speed, I found it. Why? I don't know what coming from this hose. This was the one the machine originally connected for the K-string. This one, I use a gauge for to check for the pilot pressure for the travel speed, but there's no pressure. So I suppose this machine is wrong connect for the hydraulic hose for the K-string and travel speed. So for this case, I will swap the hydraulic hose up and down for the K-string and pilot, and we test the problem again. On the other hand, travel speed solenoid is located under the operator cap here. This is the pilot manifold. One is for the hydraulic lock solenoid, and the other one is for the travel speed. So there are two solenoid for the hydraulic lock and travel speed. and we can check the pilot pressure and MRV pressure at this pilot manifold using the analog gauge. So now we are searching for the K-string and travel speed. Now already set for these two holes. Then test the pressure again. Oh. So yes, so this one the slow speed. There's no pressure for the slow speed because of the first speed slow night still not working. Hey, look at this. Now I can see the pilot pressure, travel speed for the travel speed. Okay, change that down. This is the normal speed. Now we are change. So this is for the travel speed. So now for the pilot pressure. Okay. So now the pilot pressure is here. And also, so I found there's the pilot pressure. It's come from the travel speed solenoid. So electrical system is working normal. So the right now, this time we reconnect these two holes to robust position from the origin. Then test the problem again. Will be different. Let's see it together. So in here, the left side, I removed it for the left travel motor and drive assembly because of the final drive is broken. It's at the planetary bearing and sun gear has been broken. Also the bearing. So on this side, look at this head condition. Like that, the motor will be like that. So this on the delivery, forward. Okay, let's see this one forward, this one reverse. Okay, let's see this one forward, this one reverse. Yeah, so normally we need the two delivery hose and one K-string, another one for the pilot. So in here, let's look at the motor head condition. So the upper one is the K-string. So this one for the travel speed. So I confirm the travel speed port is this one. This one the K-string. This one too for delivery. Let's look at this at the same. Okay. So this one for the travel speed pilot. Yes, look at this. This one for the travel speed. This one K-string. So motor will be like that. Yes, this one the K-string. Below. the pilot travel speed case tray to delivery. So this one for the travel speed. Really? So now I reconnect to the right position and test the travel system again. Yeah, no sound here. So this time I completely remove the hydraulic pressure gauge just for the test. No. Start the engine. This is the engine RPM. Okay, now this time. Okay, now slow. Down like select control sweater. Look at this. Now it's working. Slow down sharp. Okay. This has a normal speed. Okay, so this is the reason. Lever sharp. So in this case, the problem is, the issue is wrong connect for the case tray and pilot. This pilot for the travel speed. So originally this machine come the wrong connection. This hose must be for the pilot. Pilot this made for the travel speed. Putting for the pilot pressure to the travel base supply to the maximum and minimum position. So the issue is the wrong hose connection. Okay. So that's it.